I'm Shane Dooley. I'm the production supervisor over Heavy Lifter Assembly. My shop is an assembly shop, so we bring in all the pieces, parts for the landing gear. We build an assembly, we assemble it, test it. As the Air Force's only landing gear overhaul facility, we provide all landing gear for all aircraft on all weapon systems. C-17, A-10, F-16, F-15, F-35, B-1, B-2, C-5, C-130. We provide the only source for landing gear overhaul for the United States Air Force. Worked in a couple different places in this building, and now I'm a supervisor. It's really the people that do it. We got these guys that are working and they're putting in the work, and if he doesn't inspect that part right there, right, that gear fails, a plane crashes when it lands, or it takes off and it can't come back down, and you could have 30, 40, 50 souls on board, they could lose their lives. So it's very important that we take care of everything the best we can. The smallest detail matters. It's all part of a big cog, and we're only doing one piece, and it has to line up and everything has to work perfectly. This facility produces roughly 6,000 gear a year between all weapon systems. We have a machine shop, chrome plating shop, assembly shops, disassembly shop, E&I, NDI inspections, everything's done in-house. I think the most unique part of this facility is that we can take an F condition, which is coming off an aircraft, and we can return it to an A condition. We can take the whole gear, tear it down to its base metal, machine it, rebush it, recap plate it, paint it, and then turn it back into a functioning gear. Every time I go home, I see those aircraft flying around. I know that they're landing because of what we did here.